Hello, YouTube family. I am making some lunch for Jim tomorrow. It is 10 o'clock p.m. here in Santa Cruz, and this is the first time I'm going to use my oven at our new home. And so I've made these probably four or five times, and I just do different variations, whatever I have. Like, so I ran out of ham, and then I ended up using just tortillas. I cut some tortillas into little pie pan shapes, and we'll see how they come out, honestly. And I overpacked them, so I'm just checking it out. Gonna see how it turns out. And then, so I'm making him lunch for tomorrow. So I'm also gonna cut up some more sausage. There's actually mushrooms, so I've cut up some mushrooms, threw them in here. Cheese, so you put a slice of ham or 2 slices of ham or turkey or whatever you have, and then I put cheese, and this time I put mushrooms for the first time, and then you just plop an egg in there, salt and pepper, which I got to do. So it's about $350 or maybe $400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna then fry up some of this sausage and some more sausage here for him to take, put it in the maybe a Tupperware. This one's a sausage we've used for a while. Silva is the brand, and it's delicious. So got my oven on 350. Let's see, it's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock at night. So it's a double oven, which I've never had, so I'm really grateful. So yeah, I'm gonna pop them in there for about 20 minutes. But and just really quickly, so I'm starting a new compost pile. There's no compost here, and so I am just thinking. I went to Wild Roots today, so they have I think they have like a juice bar. I totally forgot to ask them. Anyway, so save your egg cartons, and save your eggshells too. Save your the rinds of the fruit, just food scraps, anything that goes bad, plant clippings. Like, I need to trim my plants here, so those are going to go like this. This fell off today when I was watering. So this will go into the compost pile for my chickens. And so save your food scraps, leaves. There's tons of leaves out in our yard. So yeah, so save your leaves and start your compost pile for your garden. So let's see. I know. So Olivia, our cat, was under here, and she loves forts. And anyways, so we're having our furniture delivered tomorrow, and our pod. We got lots done today. Got my. So we're having our pod delivered, which this has mainly most of our furniture, or actually all of our furniture. So let's check in on Ewok. And he looks like he's doing really well, the cat. Ewok the rescue, and Oliver the rescue. And yeah, we had to take off his sweater, his Christmas sweater, because it's a little bit toasty in here. But I think they're adjusting well. I have to say, they're adjusting well. So we got one picture up. So yeah, I think you're doing all right, Betty. So yep. So save your compost, and yeah, I think that's it. So cheers, and I hope you get ideas on baking really easy recipes. Okay, cheers.